What's we got now? A tax question, is it? Okay. Michelle, okay, USC. So how much does she have to pay in the first two bands? Okay, so firstly, she's to pay 1.5% on 12,012. And that's 180.18. And then she's to pay 3.5% on 5564. So 3.5% on 5564, which is 194.74. So there we go. That's the two answers there. Michelle's gross income is X. Michelle pays a total of 5% of her gross income in USC. Write an expression in terms of X for the total amount of money that Michelle pays in USC. It's a pretty hard question, isn't it? It's a pretty hard question. So she gets X income and she pays 5% of her income in USC. Write an expression in X for the total amount of money that she pays in USC. Well, if it's just 5%, it'll just be 0.05 times X. Find the value of X, Michelle's gross income. What do we know about her income? She pays all three rates. So there's some amount she has to pay at 7%. So this 5% of X has to equal 180 plus 194.74 plus her income minus 12,012 minus 5564 times 7%. You know, I'm going to be honest, I'd be very impressed with a student who got this question right. Very impressed. 374.93. 0.07x, and then 12012 and 5564, but then multiplied by 7, 0.07 I mean. So that's minus 1230.32. So if I put that number together with that number and then take it to the other side, I get 855.93. And then if I put the 0.07x with the 0.05, if I bring it over, it becomes a minus. So I'll be left with 0.02x. So I get x is 42,796.50. You can check that this answer is right, because what you can do is you can subtract 12,012 and 5564. You can multiply that by 7%, add that to the tax earlier, and that's a tax bill of 2,140. If I divide that by 42,796.50, I should get 5%, and I do. Yes, except for some small rounding error. I got 5.0008%. So yeah, this seems correct to me. Like I said, I'd be very impressed, very, very impressed with a student who got that question right.